Hello guys.
Hello guys, welcome back.
Today we unboxing a self-watering planter from Parkside.
Yeah, let's go to the unboxing.
So this is the Parkside 50 centimeter planter with self-watering system. Zoe is gonna do the
very hard unboxing. Oops.
Yeah, they put some
Oh. Yeah.
never mind. They put some kids glue to hold the paper.
Yes, they have. And I do not like it. Never mind, we'll get it.
So you remove this and you have this. This is a water level indication. With the help of Zoe, assemble it. You see it's plastic, so you're gonna recycle it. I don't think you're gonna recycle it. So it says made in EU. I know it's upside down, guys.
Sorry.
We try to, yeah. So let's see. So it says 6.2 liters made in EU. So if it ever breaks, you can recycle it. This is this is the future, as they say. You can go on holidays. What the advert on the planter says, you can go on holidays and you don't need to water your plants for 7 days. So the container, as you see, I know it's weird, but the container, you fill up with water.
So we have to take this piece off, or try with my nails. So we break this off.
We break this off.
Completely, yes.
Okay. Nice.
And you just
put it there.
put it there.
And you put water.
Yeah.
Of course, we have to make 2 holes. Because we are in UK and it's gonna rain and it's gonna rain and it's gonna rain. You don't want to flood your
No, you're gonna drown your poor plants.
Your plants with water. Because looks like this system is best used for the summer.
Yes, it is.
So we have to make 2 holes with a drill.
Yeah.
Here and here for the extra water.
Yeah, I'll go and get the drill for you guys.
Yeah. So let's make the hole.
Well, there was not much plastic there.
Okay.
That's a better hole.
Yeah. All right. So let's go.
Let's go and do some gardening.
Yeah.
Come on. So we have our soil, and I'm going to put some rose bushes in our planter and see how that goes.
Yep. Let's go.
Let's go. One little baby rose bush. That's enough for now. If we need any more soil, I will put in some later.
Yep, and let's see if we...
And let's water them.
Yeah, and see if there's...
See if the water level actually goes up. Giving it some time. So I don't want it spilling everywhere.
Yeah.
Whoops, just like that. It does take its time. And we'll definitely need some more soil here. It's the first time until you actually get this the soil soaked.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it went a little up. Yeah, it goes up.
It's going, yeah.
So it says it can get more.
Until that drains, I'll put some more soil in that corner.
Yep, and it says it's maximum.
Lovely. And now the only thing we need to do is actually leave our self-watering planter, and it will take care of our lovely rose bushes.
Yeah. Thank you very much, Zoe, for this amazing decoration.
You're very welcome, yeah, me and my roses. So, if you can, like, subscribe, share our video. It really, really helps the channel. We will update you in around a week to let you know how our planter
Works.
And we shall see you in the next one.
So see you in the next one, and
We have another one.
go fast before they run out. Self-watering planters. It's an amazing idea, I'm telling you now.
Yeah.
Amazing idea. So see you guys later.
See ya.
Bye.
Bye.